If you ever find yourself needing to open the same web page twice in Google Chrome, maybe to compare information, keep one version parked, or work on the same site in two different tabs, duplicating a tab is one of the fastest tricks you can use. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to duplicate tabs in Google Chrome in just a few seconds. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and browser shortcuts. Now let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure the tab you want to copy is already open. This is important because Chrome duplicates the active tab, meaning it makes an exact copy of the page you're currently viewing. Once you've got the right tab open, move your mouse up to the tab bar at the top of the browser. Then right-click directly on the tab you want to duplicate. After you right-click, a menu will appear with a few different options. From that menu, simply click Duplicate. As soon as you choose that option, Chrome instantly creates a new tab with the same web page loaded in it. In many cases, the duplicate tab will also keep the same session. So if you're signed in, the duplicated page often stays signed in too. It may even open at the same scroll position depending on the site and what you are doing. This is extremely useful when you want to compare two things side by side, check two parts of the same website, or continue browsing from the same place without losing your original tab. If you need to, you can now switch between the original and duplicated tab just like any other tabs in Chrome. And that's all there is to it. Right-click the tab, click Duplicate, and Chrome does the rest for you. It's a simple feature, but once you start using it, it can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick browser tutorials, Google Chrome tips, and simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.